Hi guys, welcome back to SoftAsia Tech. In this video, I will show you how you can add opening hours into footers. As you can see, here I have added this opening hours, and in this page, here I have these about and legal information pages. Now in this page, I will remove these links and add these opening hours. So go to your page and click on Edit with Elementor. So here you can see I have added custom header and footer there. So to remove footer, first of all I will go to settings and select Elementor canvas. After adding canvas, you can see there is no header and footer. Now first of all I will add header above this page. So I will click on this plus button and click on this import template page. Go to my templates. Here I have already created a header template. As you can see, I have this theme header page. I will click on insert and click yes. Now you can see the header was successfully imported into your page. Now go to end of the post. Now when you import any template from your library, the Elementor will automatically take you to default page. So first of all, I will change its settings to canvas again, and now I will add footer template. So I will go to templates, my template, and I will search footer. Insert theme footer and click on yes. Now you can see the footer was appeared. Now Elementor again take you to default page setting. Go back to your page settings. Wait until it loads. Now go to settings and select Elementor canvas. Now scroll down. Here you can see now you have editable footer. Now first of all I will remove these elements from footer and add an text editor. Copy this text and paste it here. Now I will go to style and change its color to white. Now here again I will add text editor. Go to this page and I will copy this text. I will paste it. Now I will make bold first line and go to style. Now I will change text color to white. Now collapse the editing settings. You can take the preview, it will look like that. Again I will go to editor. I will edit the column and vertical alignment I will make it middle. For the second column I will also make it middle. Now I will update the page, and now page was successfully updated. Click on preview changes. Scroll down. Here you can see you have successfully added opening hours into footer. If this video helps you, give it a thumbs up, and you want more videos like this, please subscribe this channel and also press bell icon to get notifications about future updates. Thanks for watching.